Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are in a bullish wave, and we are expecting the price to continue to 80, 84, 85, right? And we were expecting this action to happen at the open, right? But no, the the market decided to do it a little bit earlier. So we have our support here at 76. Price pulled back to only to 77. So one point, almost 2 points to our strong support. A clean break of 76 invalidates the forecast that we believe that the price is going to continue going up. It's gonna continue taking the heights, and it's on its way to 85, right? All righty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and we are on our way to that 85, and our job is to continue letting it ride all the way to 88. The next resistance, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna be 88. There's nothing stopping there is a lot of stuff stopping the price from from going to 88, but that's where it's looking to go. So we have two targets, right? We have 85, and then 3 more points to 88. This is the first leg after, right? So we had a pullback. We knew price was going to go back, test this high right here, 81, 82, break it, and continue to 85. We've known that all morning long. All right, and we believe that it'll continue going all the way to 88. So let me say this again. That trip to 88, that's not gonna be easy. There is a lot of little resistances here. All right, so we have 84, 85. It's not gonna be as easy taking it, but then the momentum and the gunpowder of the open, we'll see it, and then our objective is to manage this pullback, this rally pullback, all the way to 88. We all know the open. We all know that right here, this 84 could easily be the top, and the open comes, and it's today's Monday, right? And it'll drop all the way to the low of this bullish wave that we are on right now, which is right here, 67. We all know that, right?
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna watch the 77 and the 76 support that we are counting for the market to stop it, okay, to hold. Ladies and gentlemen, 77 is gonna be a detrimental, okay? As long as the price doesn't take 77, the trip is 88. 77, 87, 88. That's 11 points from 77. No break of 77. We are expecting a continuation all the way to 88. Clean break of 77. Then we need to know what if, right? Where is it going if it breaks 77? 69. Break of 77, ladies and gentlemen. The price will go to 69. Clean break of 77. Price is gonna go to 69. That's where it's gonna be. That's where it's gonna be looking to go. 77. As long as the price doesn't take 77, it's on its way to 88. If it does, clean break, we have to see the action. It'll go to 69. Okay, so 77. It's our friend today. So friend or foe, because we all know the market, right? It's gonna give everybody a hard time here at 77, right? But eventually you'll see how it's gonna show us the intention as to whether it really wants to take it or not. And since we know where it's going, then we are in a much better control. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, so price goes to 77.75, right? We all saw the bounce beautifully, of course. We were all waiting for that pullback so that we can go long, because we are going to ride it to 88. Taking 85 is not going to be easy, but the odds say that that's what's going to happen. And clean break of 77 invalidates our long position.
Sorry, I have a gold digger bull.
Oh, okay. So we have an odd enhancer right here at 82 that says that the odds are that it's going to continue to 88, right? So clean break of here 77 invalidates this bullish sentiment, and the long position should be closed, right? And is it possible, Mystique, that the price goes all the way to 77 to take the stops of all the weak bulls? Tell me.
Absolutely, absolutely.
The market does that all the time. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it does not. But we know exactly what's going on. We know exactly what the market is up to, where is support, what is the short-term direction, the entry. We've know all the conditions, and our job is to ride this baby all the way to 88. We knew 84, 85 was gonna stop it. Didn't we know that, Mystique?
We did.
1, 2, 3 minutes. Stop right there. The fight continues, and that's 85. Correct me if I'm wrong, Mystique, but is that 85 to the tick?
To the tick.
All right, so terrific. So we are after a trip from 77 to 88, 11 points, just like I said a little while ago. All right, so we have entry location, we have direction, we know the stop, we know exactly where we're gonna get out, we know exactly if we're gonna change hat, we know exactly where the price is going, we know exactly our position size, and we know exactly how to trail it. Trade management and account managing. Do we not, Mystique?
We do.
That's the only way that you trade. If you don't have all of those conditions under complete control, I have no business trading the S&P 500, right?
Right.
Okay. All right. So, hey, great, terrific, man. We're gonna make 11 points. It looks like we're gonna make 11 points, right? Yeah, that's right. So what do we do at 88? Well, we have to log 88. Of course, we never let a winner turn into a loser, and then we're gonna get out 3 times, and let's see what the target 2 is going to be. All right.
So target 1 officially hit.
So all right. So target 1 officially hit. That's 11 points. And we knew that 80 or 84, 85 was going to stop the trip for a while. It did, 1, 2, 3 minutes, right? All right, no problem. So 11 points, stop break even, start trailing, right? And let's see what the price is going to do. Is it going to take 88 and continue going up? And if it is, where to? That's going to be our target too. Or is it going to recoil from here and start going down? Well, let's see about that. All right. So what you're telling me is that we had one tick of room to lock 88. Then price not only goes to our target 1 in a couple of minutes, but it goes to the tick to our target 1. Is that what you're saying, Mr.?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
All righty then. Okay, so let's do it then. Let's continue managing this action. And of course, we all know that the reason we get out target 1, the reason we made target 1 a target for a long position is because it's resistance. So we don't want to stay there too long. We just want to lock, and that there is this opportunity to counter trend. Now, the conditions today are really tough, okay? So we have to watch it with the counter trend shorts. Counter trend. The main play is long, right? good. So any shorts that we take, it's going to be a counter trend. However, we're not going to hesitate in taking it because remember, we believe that later on, remember that we are predictors, right? That's our job here, is to make prediction. Oh my God, that's crazy. Shouldn't be. You should trade what you see. Well, that's what the amateurs tell you, that you should trade what you think, what you see, not what you think. All right, they have no clue what the reality of the market is, how to trade. So we are predictors. We have a prediction addiction here. All right. So when I told you price is gonna go to 77, it's gonna bounce, and then it's gonna go 11 points. I told you that what? 20, 25 minutes ago? That's a prediction. That's trading what you think. That's what I was thinking. That's what I thought 20, 25 minutes ago. That's a prediction. I don't know. In the dictionary, mistake, if you look at the word prediction, what does it say?
CAPI.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the counter trend short, right? 89, all the way back to 83, right? How many points is that for the counter trend? Mistake, 6 points. That's right, 6 points. All right, those of you who believe me when I told you we will have a pullback, we're not gonna hesitate on counter trending because there will be a pullback. A total prediction, right?
It is.
That's a total prediction. That's 6 points right there on the counter trend short above 88, right? Price goes to 88. It gives us plenty of room to short the 88 and above, right? 89, 1 point. It goes all the way to 83. That's 6 points. For the counter trend, that doesn't mean, ladies and gentlemen, that we are out of our main play long. We still believe that the market is going to continue going up, right? So we're going to manage our ammunition left to target 2, which we don't have it yet. We have direction. We know that if we need to change hats, we'll change hats need be. In the meantime, we are just taking beautiful advantage of the counter trend short 89, and we are on our way to make 11 points on the counter trend as well.
That's right.
All righty, okay. And remember what I told you. There's gonna be a nice pullback. Okay, where to? 76. So that's gonna be 11 points on the way up and 11 points on the way down. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So remember what I told you half an hour ago, 45 minutes ago. We're not gonna hesitate in counter trending because a pullback is coming. The odds right now we are on a sideways action, right? We all can see that. That's easy. However, the odds are telling me that the bullish direction, sentiment, bias that we have right now is just about to change, meaning the price will actually take the low 77, break it, and continue going down 10 more points. So I'm expecting this counter trend to become the main play. Once it destroys 77, I'm expecting 10 points. All right, 10 points down, more to 67. Let's see. All right, okay. It's a range actually. All right, so I'm expecting the 69, the 67, and there's one more down here, is 64. All right, so 64, 69. All right, so it's a little bit of a wide range, but it's okay. Remember that the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. All these levels, they're changing. All right, so let's just give the market room as long as 77 is holding. We still want to be long to target 2, which we don't have yet, but we will pretty soon. In the meantime, we're taking advantage of that counter trend short 89, expecting the price to eventually break 70 and continue to 69, 67, 64. All right. So the idea is to take advantage of every single move of the market. Market's going up, let's go ahead and make 11 points. It's going down, let's go ahead and make 11 points, expect the break, and then make 10 more points, 15 more points. So we are, even though we are scalpers, day traders, we also have a methodology that is trend following. We've known of this pullback 45 minutes ago. So let's go ahead and don't hesitate on managing the counter trend short, which the odds are now is the one that is going to become the main play. It doesn't matter because we never let a winner turn into a loser. We go long, we just made 11 points, we just made 10 points on the pullback. We believe that the main play is still long, make no mistake about it, right? And it's on its way to target 2. So terrific. We continue banging the long side, and we know that eventually the odds are that the price is going to go down. All right? Break 77 and go to 69, 67, 64. That's why we counter trend, so that we can take advantage of every single move, the ebb and flow of the market. We want to take advantage of. We came here to trade, right? This thing.
We sure did.
So if the market's gonna go up 11 points, I want to take advantage of it. If it's gonna go down 11 points, I want to take advantage of it too. I mean, call me crazy, right? That's exactly what we came here to do. So this is all one wave. This is all one way. We're taking advantage of the zigzag of the wave. Waves moves in, it goes up, it goes down, the ebb and flow of the market, right? We're taking advantage of the zigzagging of the wave, all right? This wave is still bullish, all right? So even though it's bullish, of course, we're always looking for the what if. Hey, listen, is it going to change? So that's why we predict the future. Is it going to change? So we need 100% full focus, complete concentration, because we're looking at it. We already know that the odds that this wave, bullish wave, is turning into a sideways action. It's a snake, right? And we also know that 77 is getting weaker and weaker, right? And we know that a clean break of 77, we know it's on its way to 60. What was it I said? 64, right? 69, 60.
69, 67,
And 64, all right? So we are already prepared for that, okay? And in the meantime, the counter trend short has not been invalidated. The long has not been invalidated either, all right? So it's our job to manage both positions and just milk the market. All right, let's milk it. It's extremely important to understand this concept. All right, the bulls are still in control. Right, the setup has not been invalidated. The bears haven't been able to destroy, but we're not in a bullish wave anymore. We are now in a snake wave. Right. Look at the chop, it's going sideways. And we just went into a snake, officially into a snake direction, which is sideways. However, it is our prediction that the bears will eventually take over all this action. It will take 77 and it's gonna go down. That's what we believe. 100% guarantee, we all know that, right? But that's what we believe. So if we know that, then we're not gonna be quick to exit the short 89, right? Why? If we believe that the odds are minimal, that it is the low that is going to be taken, and the bears are eventually going to be the ones taking full control of this action, then we want to continue shorting the high, believing that the price is going to go to 77 and breaking. However, any short, you need to understand this concept. It's a counter trend. We are trading against the main play, which is still long, expecting the price to go to 90, break it, and I just don't have target 2 yet. But in other words, we're playing both sides. As long as you buy the low and sell the high, nail both entries, all you gotta do is just manage your position, right? And then you need to know which one is stronger, which one has the biggest odds as to being the one that is eventually going to break in our direction. And that's exactly what we do all the time, right? So we know better how to manage the position, right? If you don't know all of that, how the hell are you going to manage your position? Smart money is gonna shake you out left and right easily. Ladies and gentlemen, remember 400, right? We don't have our, so we're gonna have to go with the conventional technical analysis. We all know 400, right? We all know 400 is it's psychological level, right? So from 90, right, to 400, we're not gonna counter trend anything in the interim, okay? 400. 400 is target 2. Okay. Of course, I don't think that we're going to go 10 points on a straight line. We all know that, right? So, okay. All right, so let's see. Of course, our hand is itching, right? To short somewhere around here between 94 and 400, right? No, we're not going to do that. Okay, when we counter trend, we only take it at our levels, and there is nothing telling me from 90 to 400 it's a strong enough resistance to worth it to have a limit short right there, right? Nothing. So we're just going to target 2. All right. So we are out of the counter trend short that gave us 10 points, right? 10 points here, 7 points there. And not that the price is not going to come back to 90 and probably break it and continue going down. This is probably noise, and we don't care what it is, actually, all right? Our job is to manage the main play long that we took, 78 at the open, and go to target 2. That's our job, okay? And we know that we are going with the trend, which, remember what I told you today, it just so happens to our system, it's in harmony in terms of the uptrend that the conventional technical analysis says. We are in an uptrend, and our system also says we are in an uptrend. So, and you all know that no break of 78, we're going to target 2. I don't have the target 2, so we're going to have to go with the same target that everybody has. 400, please, come on. All right, okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember when I told you that the bears didn't want 84? They were counting on 84 action below 84 for the price to go to 77 and finally break the 77 and continue on its way down and have the main play direction change, right? Just like we thought that too. But we knew about 84, did we not, right? So look at the way the price breaks 84. The reason it broke it like this, and we've known it 10 minutes before it broke it, is because there are a lot of bears trapped right there, 84. We knew it 10 minutes before it broke. So when the price breaks an important key level like 84, like I told you, then that tells us that the main play, right, is because we went from bullish wave to a snake wave. Break of that 84 tell us, hey, that's a confirmation that the smart money destroyed the bears. They're all trapped. They're adding to a loser. We know what we know what a lot of traders do. They add to a loser. They cannot stand the fact that they got destroyed 84, 86, and then in a couple of minutes, it already was at 92, right? So they're adding to a loser, hoping that the price goes right back down, and so that they can get out break even. That's exactly what they're doing right now. So We know that there is enough strength to go to 400. That's why we're not going to short anything between 90 and 400, just like I told you. We're just going to manage our target 2 all the way to 400, 99, 401. We all know the drill. But remember, there are a lot of losers adding to a loser, and there are a lot of real traders that that they're gonna jump the gun also. Everybody knows 400 is a psychological level, right? So there's gonna so the trip to 400 is not gonna be an easy trip. So 97, right? And our target 2 is 44. So let's go ahead and manage this position right now. Price is above 90. It's a nice break of 90, nice break of 84, and look at your P&L, right? And we know that this is a psychological level. We can log somewhere around this area right here, right? 98, 99, 86. Okay, let's see what the market continues doing. Long story short, stop break even and keep on trailing. Remember, this is only target 2. I told you that we are in a trend, which happens rarely. So if we are in a trend and we have target 2, let it ride. Price comes right back down, we get back in support, and we're gonna ride it to 400, 99, 401. We all know, okay? That's our job now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 400. Okay, so far so good, right? Look at the way it's taking it. Remember, I told you we are in an uptrend, and our system just so happens to be in harmony with the regular conventional technical analysis, right? Uptrend. Okay, that's 401. So this is target 2 for us, of course. So let's go ahead and lock here. From 78, right? 78, 80. Let's log 20, 21, 22 points right here at 400. Okay, so there's going to be a new reading right here, and everybody's looking at 07 as target 3, right? All right, well, 07, ladies and gentlemen, it's temporary target 3, all right? Target 3. This 400 is target 3, and we know that beautiful way price took it. So we have plenty of time to get out right here and log 20, 21, 22 points, right? Now, 07 is right there. Remember, we are officially in an uptrend, and that happens 20% of the time. So we have to take advantage that we are in an actual trend, okay? So what is a strong trader does? Well, you know what, CAPI, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, man. I am going to guard my ammunition, and I'm going to make 400, 407, since it's only 7 points. I'm going to make the mid-range, 400, 407, 404. I'm going to make the mid-range my target 2. So in other words, I'm going to let it ride to 403, 404. I'm going to see how the price goes. I know now that 400 is it's support, right? And why not make a couple more points on target 2 so that we have a lot more ammunition for target 3, right? Now 07 is officially target 2, all right? So you've got to we have to lock here 07, 08 target 2, and then we are on our way to target 3, which is what we always, that's why we trade multiple contracts, right? 3 units. If you cannot trade 3 units, then you're trading scare money, all right? 3 units, that's nothing. And of course, the last target. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so target 3 hit. So let's go ahead and lock right here, 44.10. Okay, remember I told you, we have to lock here, target 2, 44.10, 9, 7, right here. 7 and this break right here, okay? So 44.10, target 2 officially hit, and we are on our way to target 3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so target 2 hit, right? 7, 10, our counter trend right here has good odds of working out, at least back to 400. Our target, our counter trend, short counter trend, Remember that we are still in an uptrend and we are on our way to target 3. In the meantime, we know that 10 is resistance, so why not counter trend it short? Make a couple of points in the meantime. And that counter trend can easily turn into a new downtrend, right? So counter trend short right here, 10, and we are expecting enough powder to take the price all the way to 400, and then we'll take it from there. Stop break even, the counter trend right now, and let's go ahead and it has good odds, by the way. This counter trend is pretty good. All right. Now we know that the smart money can easily take it back to 10, 11, shake the weak bears out. However, we believe that this is strong enough to make it worthwhile to continue shorting it. Counter trend, right? We're going against this beautiful uptrend. We don't hesitate, and we don't trade scare money. So we'll do it because that's what we do every day. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our short counter trend short 10 working okay. Right? Remember, our job is to take advantage of the ebb and flow. Every single rally, pullback that we believe is worth taking, we're taking it. Target 2 accomplished. We are still on a target 3. Why do we believe there's going to be a target 3? Because the uptrend has not been invalidated, right? This is just a pullback. All right, well, let's short it then. 10, price just went to 3. That's 7 points that we are up while we still wait for target 3. Gentlemen, let's make 19 target 3. Okay, 19. Let's go ahead and ride this baby all the way to 19. Nice break of 10. And let's go to 19. Same situation that that we did before. Okay, 19. Here's the deal. This 10 is extremely important. All right, very important. Meaning, as long as the price is above, we are on our way to target 3. Okay, we are on our way to target 3. We are comfortable believing that the price will continue to 19, target 3, as long as it doesn't break here. 10, extremely important. Clean break of trend, then I'm expecting a nice pullback. 7 to 400. Clean break of 10. I'm expecting those 10 points that we were expecting from when the price went to 10, that we counter trended short, expecting the price to go to 400. It only went to 03, so we only made 7 points. This time it's going to be better. However, just like we've done it since the open today, 10, this 10 right here, extremely important. As long as the price is above, we'll go to 19. We go target 3, and last target, and a clean break of 10. That means a total change in direction, and the price is just going down, baby. All right. Okay, so no hesitation in counter trending short. Okay, I told you, no hesitation, right? Okay, so this is the writing in the wall. 10, very important. Alrighty, we will see. Okay, 10, below 10, the importance of the price being below 10 is not that it's just a bearish action. Is that it will trend, which is what we all want to know at all times, right? Hey, is this thing gonna chop? Is it gonna trend? Well, 10 is the writing in the wall, right? Just look at it. Look at that 10, and I'm expecting breaking of every single support. Now, time right now, 11:12. We are very close to target 3, which is 19, right? So, oh my God, so 7:19, these 12 points right here, they're not gonna be a walk in the park. But you know that your third unit that we want to go to 19 is in big trouble as long as the price is below 10, right? I mean,
Clear.
is that clear?
Yeah.
All right. So we have a new reading that is being formed right now, but we all know exactly what I told you regarding 4410, right? Look, it breaks 4410, bounces, support becomes resistance. We take a shot 10, right? For those of you who are not short already here, which it was tough to go short here because we wanted to go to 19, right? This rally, test of 10, recoil, and going down, remember what I told you, okay? 410 is so important that not only is going to tell us that the market change hats to bear, but it's going to take all the minor resistances, and I am expecting a continuation all the way, first leg, all the way to 400. So it's going to take this, low right here, this pivot low 03, and it'll continue going to 400, right? Now, we are having a new support being built right now, and we need to see how strong it's going to be to see if it's going to be stronger than 10. Until I tell you otherwise, we go with 10, expecting 10 points all the way to 400. Okay, so now it's a range, 11 and this 14, 11, 14. We have a range now, okay, 11, 11, 14. 11, 14, that's a 3-point range that we believe is really strong. Price not going to be going to 19 anytime soon, as long as this range right here is a total strong area of supply, and we believe price is not going to take it, and if there's going to be any movement at all, it's going to be to 400 first leg. All right, the taking of this 3-point range, let's say that, right, because in this business nothing is guaranteed, is it, mistake?
No.
So the taking of this 3-point range, not only the price is going to go to 19, it's going to go to the moon. All right, and that's going to be the last target for the current long position. Now, it is below 11. What time it is? It's almost 11:30.
Yeah.
So, short leash for the target 3. Right? So, in other words, break of structure, you're done with target 3. After all, price already went to 14. So, how many points have we made on
36.
this? How many?
36.
All right, so we're up 36 points on this move in which the price went all the way to 14. So that's pretty good for a Monday, isn't it, Mystique?
Excellent.
All right, so stop break even. Let's go to phase 7, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, phase 7, right now. So in other words, look at the importance of this level right here, right? 11, right? Remember that we moved it from 10 to 11, and of course, the high is 14, so it's a 3-point range. But it is 11, the one that is extremely important, right? As long as the price is below 14, this is what we need to understand. Not only I'm expecting a continuation down, but it's gonna take every little single minor resistance, right? 03, 400, and I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 89, 90, 89. You're right, so let's make it 89, right? 89. So we're all short, counter trend, 89. So let's say that the market, this is nothing but noise, and the market wants to continue on its way up. terrific, no problem. We know also that above 11 and a clean break of 11 is gonna mess around with 14, but we are expecting the market to go to target 3, 19, and all the way to 36. So in other words, we're gonna have a skyscraper as long as there is a clean break of 11. If not, your job is to remain short and have fun with it all the way to 89, ladies and gentlemen. 89, all right? So not 90, 89. Oh, look at that. Remember 88? 88 was our target 1, remember?
Yes.
88, target 1. Target 2 was 400. And 407, right? That we were able to manage it beautifully like a bonus. And then 19 is target 3. Well, clean break. And even if it takes all day, then I'm expecting, look at that, 88, 90. Mid-range, 89. All right? Below 11. Above 11, 19. And what was the other one? And 36, ladies and gentlemen. All righty, so be prepared to have a beautiful sky scraper today, all the way to 36. All right? Those of you who are going to stay trading all day, right? Of course, we all want to make in 2 hours what most people make in in a year. All righty, so time right now, 11:34, ladies and gentlemen. So enjoy it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's the 400 that I promised you we were gonna have. And all right, and not only the 400, but that change of direction. Not only 400 hit, change of direction, and a continuation, all the way to mid-range, 89. So be strong and let it ride. Okay. Remember, we are the real deal. Everybody says that the secret of trading is letting it ride and winners and cut your losers short. But nobody tells you how to do it. Well, I'm telling you exactly how to do it. Be strong and let it ride. Is it gonna go there in a straight line? We all know that's probably not how it's gonna be, and that's why we manage every single trade. Alrighty. Okay, we know the importance of every single major important level, and that's how we manage our position. So it is still below 11. We got 97, so that's a couple of point bonus. And remember, we want to know two things. We want to know direction, and we want to know, is it going to trend? Are we in a trend? Is it going to continue trending? That's what every single day trader wants to know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we had a nice drop, exactly the one that I told you about, 11 resistance, right? Remember, 11, we want to be short 11 all the way to 86, so we're talking 25 points in 10 minutes. And we've known it for how long? Since here, right? Isn't this here when I told you that the price was going to not only, this is what I told you exactly, verbatim. Go back in the video and you'll see. Not only we know it's going to go down, but it's going to trend. It's going to give us a nice drop. It's going to give us a nice pullback, and it's going to take every single minor medium support. 07, 03, 400, 90, 88. Remember, our mid-range was 89, between 88 and 90, and 90. We just went to 86, so we had a 3-point bonus. That, my friend, is trading. If you're going to read the market live, real time as it's happening, if you want to have credibility, if you're desperate to sell a trading course, a trading education, you have to do this first so that you can prove to whoever you want to sell your stuff that you're for real, that you know how to read the market, how to analyze it, you know? Read it to me first, like this, tell me exactly what the market is going to do at all times and what to do those times that it doesn't do it, and then I'll pay attention to you, and then I'll see if I buy your course. But if you don't show me live, real time, as it's happening, what you want me to take your word for it? That's not going to happen. Look at the bounce. 1:30 p.m. Beautiful.